What is up, beautiful people? This is Simar. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna help you guys install the Viofo A229 Plus 2-channel or dual-channel dashcam. I'm gonna install this on my Mitsubishi Outlander 2023 gas variant. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. I have been using Viofo from a very long time, since 2018. The first Viofo was the A129. It was just a front camera and it lasted me pretty good, and it's still running fine. It's in my Hyundai i20 that you don't get here in Canada, but that's back home in India. But here I'm gonna install this Viofo A229 Plus 2-channel because I trust Viofo. I think it's a good brand. It lasts you good. And I'm going to show you how exactly I'm going to run the wires and install the camera. It's going to be a quick video. I'm not going to take you guys through the features of the camera because there are a lot of videos on the internet. I don't want to waste much time on this. It's pretty easy. I would suggest you wipe the glass where you want to put the camera. I'm going to put right behind this rear view mirror over here. I don't want to put it on this film here on the windshield. I'm going to put it here. So you peel this off. Put it here. Press it nicely. Make sure you take out all the air bubbles. And then you peel the second layer off. You gotta take this out, this 3M tape, and put the camera there. You also want to take this out. I'm gonna leave this for now. It's gonna hold tight. You can adjust this lens later on. So to install the rear camera on the Mitsubishi Outlander, you need to remove this hose with the equipment given and remove it from here. Now you're gonna run the wire. You're gonna remove this as well. There are small buttons here. You need to remove it with the same tool that's given with the camera. Put the wire from here, and then run it from this hose. So you don't have to put the wire like this straight. Put some oil on the wire, fold the wire like this, and then push it through. Put some oil here, and then fold it like this, and then push it here. And as you can see, you will get it. Once you put the wire from here, you put it inside here. If you want, you can take this panel out, but I didn't have to because I can just pull it back and run the wire upwards and just put my hand inside and take it out. Now you can put your camera here without any problem, the rear camera. So now I have run the wire all the way from the camera, from these A pillar, B pillar and the C pillar, and got it from here, as you can see, right inside this, and then it's here. Now I'm gonna roll this extra wire, coil it up, and just put it inside here. And then I'm gonna put this button back, this and this. Sorry for the low light, but yeah, this and this button. Once again, you gotta peel this, you gotta clean this first here. Take it off. Remove this. Center it with the rear light. You can adjust this later. You need to make sure you don't put it on these hot wires. These are the defogger wires on the rear shield. So you need to make sure you don't put it on these. Put it in the center of these. And once again, you need to put the wire as such that the straight end is for the rear camera and the L-shaped pin is for the front camera. Plug the wire in. That's it. That's the rear camera installation. This is the power cable that I've run through here, under here, and from here all the way down. The best way to do is to take this rubber off. Once you take it off, you'll get enough space. You can just push it in, and from here, inside this, underneath, and here it is. I did not push it in because this is too tight. I don't want to damage the wire or the panel. But anyways, yeah, it works. This is the camera here. It powers on automatically.
Please insert a memory card.
Yeah, I'm yet to insert the memory card, but as you can see here, front. This is the front view, and if you push it once, it'll give you the back view, and then it gives you both. This is the back view here on the corner, and this is the front view. And you can go through the settings like video settings. This is the record button. This is just in case you want to save any clip while you're driving. You can just press this or long press this. You can just go through the user manual for all these things. I think it's self-explanatory. So yeah, that's it. Installing the Viofo A229 Plus on your Mitsubishi Outlander 2023.